All right. Do you like mushrooms?
I like enoki mushrooms.
You like enoki mushrooms? Do you know why I'm asking you this question?
Why?
Because we're drawing
Mushrooms!
We're going to make a Valentine's Day card with mushrooms because you have a cool joke.
Not gonna tell you.
You're not gonna tell us yet? Ooh, okay, our long friends, you gotta wait a little bit to find out what the joke is. Okay, so this is a Valentine's Day card that we're making for Dad.
Yes.
Yes. So we're drawing a mushroom. We're drawing a mushroom for our Valentine's Day card for Dad.
Yes.
And it's gonna be a toadstool mushroom.
Yes.
That's one of those big topped mushroom with a big cap and red and white.
Yes.
All right, Mia. Okay, so let's get started.
Are you gonna draw with your cap on? Or what?
No, I'm going to take off my cap for the mushroom cap. Get it? Okay, so we're going to draw a rounded triangle.
Yes, a rounded triangle.
Do you even know what that means?
Yes, you draw a triangle that doesn't have pointy sides.
Exactly. Okay, so
How do you want me to draw?
oh, and leave room for the joke that we're going to write for the card on top or on the bottom, depending on where you want to put it, right?
I want to fold it.
Oh, you're gonna fold it. Okay, that's right. This is a card, so okay. So our long friends, we're making a card.
Yes, and we're going to fold it right now.
Yeah, we're gonna fold it in half. Since it's
We
a
went
card.
opposite sides.
Oh, it doesn't matter, right? Because you can always flip it back around.
But it's funny that we did opposite sides because it looks so natural.
Yeah. Maybe your brain works opposite of the way mine does.
I'm going to fold it so it doesn't bleed in. Unfold it and draw on this side.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Wait.
But the card opens this way, right? Usually.
Yeah. So I'm going to draw here.
Yeah, on that side. Great. Me too. So we folded our paper. Bring it back out. If you're a little bit afraid that the markers are gonna bleed through your paper, that's smart. But Mia.
Let's get our markers out.
Yes. So we're going to draw the toadstool mushroom.
I'm going to put it here because I'm not drawing on this side.
Okay, I might just be able to do this. Okay. So in the center of your page, and be sure to leave room for the writing that we're going to put. So I'm gonna leave room on the top. So a bit on the center of the page, we're going to draw a rounded triangle. So curvy, and we're gonna put a little bit of curve, like a dent in too. If anybody knows Super Mario Brothers, there's like those Koopas, right? Those are the mushroom people. The
What about
bad
Toad?
mushrooms.
What about Toad?
Oh yeah, Toad too. Toad has a more rounded top though, right?
So...
And honestly, it's whatever shape you would like your mushroom to be. Nice. And then we're gonna put a little, little ovals in so that it shows that the mushroom has spots. So make it a little flat and put it in different places of your mushroom. Wherever you would like to do your little mushroom spots. I'm just gonna put a few here.
Mine has a lot of spots.
Yeah, it does. Great. And then we're going to draw the stem of the mushroom, right? It's going to come down, a little curved line down, and make the bottom of it a little bit wider and bring it back up. Yeah, nice. And let's put some details in with a little bit of straight lines down, just for the stem kind of look. That's it. That's the toadstool.
Yeah.
We're gonna color it red and pink, kind of like Valentine colors. And Mia, you want to tell us the joke so we can write it?
I always knew you were a fungi.
So we're going to write "You're a fun guy" because mushrooms are fun guys, and we think Dad is a fun guy.
Yeah.
So we're writing that, and you can pick different colors. And you don't have to write that exact message. You can write something else, but we thought it would fit with the mushroom drawing. So, you, and then apostrophe. Oh, you're writing the whole thing. That's fine too. Your, Alright.
Ooh, this looks pretty.
Yeah, nice shadow look. Okay, now you can get coloring. Awesome. So Mia and I picked some colors for our mushroom.
This is a real red.
Ooh, nice. I like my coral red.
You got lipstick red too.
I did. I'm gonna draw more mushrooms on the side or hearts or something.
I'm gonna draw some more mushrooms and hearts.
What have we done in the past for Valentine's Day? Do you remember?
No,
Were you too young?
I don't know. That was last year.
You don't remember anything?
No.
I think we usually like to cook at home. Like
Oh
a
yeah,
nice
and the
steak.
Valentine's dance.
Yeah, you went to a Valentine's dance with your dad. You got to dress up.
We got a little monkey and a balloon,
Yep.
and then we went to a restaurant to eat.
Yeah, what did you eat?
We ate sushi.
Ooh.
Oh, did I tell you that my dad is made a backyard ice rink?
Yeah. Your dad has gone through so much to make you a backyard ice rink this winter. That's dedication.
He really wanted to do it.
Yep.
He's
And
been telling everybody.
yeah. To come and play, right? What's your favorite mushroom?
I don't know.
I know.
Ooh, enoki.
Yeah. That's pretty much the only mushroom you eat. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you get to try other mushrooms. Or like other mushrooms, I should say. You've tried other ones.
There's a giant mushroom. There's a giant mushroom. He's scared.
You're drawing inside too? Nice. Yeah, and then we can spend time writing a card inside. So Dad's being eaten by a giant mushroom?
No, he's getting chased by a giant mushroom.
Oh no.
I'm gonna draw something. It really looks like they're running.
Mm-hmm. What kind of mushrooms do you know?
Enoki, toadstool, fungi.
There's also these morel mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms. Can I borrow your...
Yep, you can borrow my rose red.
Thanks. Fungi. The cute crumbly mushrooms.
Cute. Oh, I need a green.
One thing that I like about Valentine's Day too is you get to appreciate your loved ones another special day, right?
Mm-hmm. Done.
Great.
Well, almost done.
Okay, I'm just putting some hearts around here. It's like this mushroom is spreading heart pores. And then I'm gonna write a message inside later. What did you do here?
Roots.
Yeah. What are they called again?
Celia.
Celias?
Celia.
Mytocelia?
Mycelius.
Mycelius. Something like that. That was a cool fact, huh?
He said mycelius.
Mycelius, so it's just Celius?
I don't know.
Do you have a cool mushroom fact?
They're poisonous?
Some of them are poisonous, right? Toadstools are generally poisonous. We are giving Dad a poison.
That's what I drew this.
Oh! All right. Well, there it is. Our Valentine's Day cards.
Yep. Just so you know, these are ornaments hanging from the mushroom.
Oh, nice. Okay, so we're going to write a message in our cards and gift it to our Mia's dad.
Yeah.
For Valentine's Day.
Bye. See you next time.
See ya.
Keep drawing.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.